Hi everyone, I am Ripunjay Gauttam, working as a director in one of the big four consulting firms. I recently got an invitation to come here and give a guest lecture on the career orientations in consulting. So, about the drive, it's a after you graduate, you might think where you are going, but after you land up inside the university, it's a 40-acre massive campus with hostels, guest houses, college campus. It's a massive place to be in. It's a different experience altogether, and the AI lab which they process is one of the top class which I have come till date in India. On the session which I have delivered, it was quite good. The students were first year, and they asked relevant questions to the industry because they are quite career oriented. Overall experience was fabulous. Thank you.